Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So today's video is going to feature some DIYs straight from TikTok. This first one involves a really cool jewelry holder. I love this design. I really like the fact that this features a little mirror there too. So cute. I love the aesthetic. And then we move into DIY number 2. This one features some clay. So they are using 2 different colors here and mixing them together. This really creates a nice marbled effect. Very nice color scheme, and she did some jewelry holders with that, the little jewelry plates. And then this next one features a really cool lamp design. Now I love the simplicity of this DIY, and the fact that it looks so high end is just remarkable. Look at that. Beautifully done. And then we have a mirror design. Now, typically when we see these kind of mirrors, they're done in like ivory or white, but she uses a wood stain color for this, and I love the way that it looks. Very cool, definitely original and something different. So DIY number 5 features this moon shape. And they ended up making a cool little pillow design. This looks so cozy and comfortable. Very cute. And then DIY number 6 is going to be a furniture transformation. So they're using some old stools here, spray painting them white, and then adding in some new seating. Very nice. Now you could add some cushion to this if you wanted to make it a little bit more comfortable, if you wanted to do like a similar DIY. But very nice transformation overall. And then we got DIY 7. Looks like they might be making a pillowcase for this one. Oh, they actually ended up making a rug. That could double as a pillowcase though if you were to enclose it and then put in some cushion. Very cool idea. So for this next DIY, I'm not quite sure what they're making as of yet. Oh, that's cute. I like how she has the little plants on there too. Very nice, very creative. So we have another Ikea hack for the next one. Just a touch of gold here. Oh, that's a very simple transformation. Wow. Nice way to make it your own. And then we have this table design made out of cardboard and some tires. So it looks like she's simply wrapping some twine around this. Now, you could spray paint those tires too. Spray paint them the same color as the twine. I think that would have looked really nice. And then we have this washcloth holder. This would also make for a cool napkin holder. Very cool design. And she just has the little washcloths in there. You can make it bigger and put your towels in there. So the next DIY is going to involve some clay. So it looks like she is trying to recreate this vase. Now this vase has quite a unique shape to it. Wow, very cool. It looks just like her inspiration as well. She did a great job with this. And then we have a lamp design. So this is just like the mushroom style lamp. Oh, she's actually doing two. So this is just like the mushroom style lamp, except for the bowl is facing upward instead of downward. And I actually really like this design. Look at that, wow. Oh, they're adding like a marble effect to this. This is pretty. Very cool. Whoa. You would never in a million years think that somebody made that themselves. That is crazy good. Then we have our last DIY. Nice, simple design idea. Definitely beginner friendly. Table tray and 2 planters. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.